Hey, it's Nick with another Fat Guy review, and this time it's gonna be a disaster. I will say off the bat, the worst box I've ever had. Drape Fit. We do best fit. Drape Fit. But I will say, since the last time I've done a video, I have lost a significant amount of weight. I lost about 40 pounds, and I went from pushing 3X to now just an extra large. And as far as my waist goes, I was 44 inches and now I'm 38. So yay, I'm losing weight. However, it's hard to have a channel called Fat Guy Reviews when you keep getting less and less fat. At some point, I plan to not be fat anymore, but I'm still gonna keep the title in here, like right here, right around here, and all the arteries and all the veins. I'm still a fat guy, especially if you ask my doctor. Anyway, we're here to talk about Drape Fit. Thank you, Drape Fit, for reaching out to me and asking me to review the box. I appreciate it. However, all the things I'm about to say might hurt your feelings, and I don't think we're gonna be friends after this. So I'm sorry, but thank you, but I'm so sorry. This is not gonna be a good review. My first red flag was when I was filling out the form to actually get the box sent to me. You have to fill out like a style profile, like all the other ones. You go down the steps, you tell them what you like to wear, what brands you like, what your size is, and things like that. And I will say, there were a buttload of spelling errors. It feels like someone made this website in another language and then translated it to English, because there was like a lot of mistakes. And as I was going through and filling all this information out, I was 80% sure this was a scam. I was giving them my size and my weight and my address and my phone number, and I'm like, wait a minute, this feels scammy. But I, for some reason, pushed through, and it wasn't a scam. It is an actual clothing box thing. They're new, and they haven't done anything with their website. No one's actually looked at it or ever tried to read it that speaks English, because anyone would know that it's just terrible. And on that note, what the hell is your slogan? We do best fit. I thought that was a typo as well after looking over everything, because I saw one that said we do the best fit, and I go, still not the greatest slogan. However, we do best fit, I don't even know what that's supposed to mean. But maybe that's just me not liking your slogan. Maybe we do best fit like stands out and you had it all tested and everyone's like, yeah, we do best fit. Yeah, let's put that on everything. Before I tell you what the second problem with my box is, let me open this up and show you, and then maybe you'll know. Starting off with the presentation, it seems legit. They've got like their own stickers, their own paper. It seems like they spent a lot of money to do best fit, and I think that they put a little effort in, so that's nice. The first thing right off the top was a beanie, which, not their fault. I'm not gonna blame them for the first kind of style they sent me, because this is the first one I've ever filled out. However, I specifically remember saying I don't wear beanies, and you'll see why, because I have to try it on, and you're gonna be like, oh, that's why. The next thing I pulled out were like these pants, and these are joggers, which is fine. Like, it's a good color. It's like, but the material, there's something off. It feels starchy. But okay, maybe that's just the pants. That's just the brand. That's fine. The next thing is black pants. But again, there's something a little off. Like, it just doesn't feel right. I don't know what it is. I've done a lot of these boxes, and I can feel how much this costs, if that makes any sense. Next thing is a turtleneck, which I can already tell you is not fat guy friendly. There's no way in hell I am gonna look good in this turtleneck. But the quality of this, actually, nice. This feels like a really soft sweater. You know what? I wish that I would look good in it. I know I'm not going to. Next thing is a Guess shirt. It says Guess all over it. You can see it there. Guess. Oh, maybe you can't. It's a great color. I love the color. I love the style. You know what? I was like, you know, this is a pretty cool shirt. And then I touched it again and I went, there's just something off. And the last thing was this little stack of socks. So I got 3 pairs of socks. So thank you for setting me up all the way. I've got all kinds of styles that I can try on. Let's try everything on and see how it fits. You're gonna wanna stick around for this. Why? Why does anybody wear beanies? This is ridiculous. Look at this. I look like an idiot. Like a tuna boat captain. This is the maroon Guess shirt. It's extra large, like I asked for. It barely fits, but I guess it does fit. So if you wanna be short on the extra large, that's fine. I can button it. That's cool. There is one problem though. I can't really, I can do this. So if I want to go left to right, but I can't. Hey, how the hell are you? Everybody. I can't. Come on, give me a hug. This is the turtleneck. It's a bit snug. I can't. Do I have it on backwards? Am I putting on this thing? Because my arms are weird again. It's not flattering. It doesn't look good. I mean, if I wanted to be like the puppets, for like the puppet guys, like that would be cool. Like I could hide in this. And then I could like work the puppets. There's no way, by the way, let me just speak. There's no way that this is a XL or double XL. And if it is, there's no way it's made for a fat guy. So let's try on the black pants. Oh, it feels terrible. Oh, something just went straight up my ass. Yes, you're gonna see my belly, I'm sorry. I can't, it's like not even close. Like not even close. And you can clearly see that it's supposed to be 38. Ugh. Oh my God. Holy crap. I can't even get it. Like this is my knee. Am I supposed to wear it like this? Maybe this is the style. It's not even covering my junk. It's fine. So overall, my closing thoughts on this are, holy crap, don't buy Drape Fit. Judging from just the way it feels and the horrible size difference of what it should be and what it actually is, and of course all the misspellings on the website, I highly recommend you do not buy this. At least not for another year. Let them figure all this out. This officially stamped not good for fat guys. So I'm sorry, Drape Fit. Thank you again for reaching out. I feel bad doing this. However, dude, you suck. You suck. You're not ready. Back to the drawing board.